Hello everybody. The purpose of this video is to show how I mount my Mobius Mini onto my Hubsan 501S. On my Mobius Mini I put a couple pieces of Velcro on. I put the fuzzy side on the camera, and on the bottom side of my drone I have the hook, the little hooks in the Velcro. I got another piece over here, that's so I can put a little SQ9 camera to get a straight down shot. So what I do is I just take the camera and I line it up with the Velcro and I just stick it on, just kind of wiggle a little bit so it grabs it. And then I'll take a rubber band and pull the rubber band down over the camera, and it holds it nice and secure, doesn't wiggle around or anything. And I have the camera at the same angle as the camera in the drone, so I can see on my controller exactly what my Mobius is picking up. And that's how I mount my Mobius Mini. Just a little footnote. This piece of tape is covering up my phone number. I thought it'd be a good idea to put my phone number on the camera in case I lose the camera. Somebody, hopefully an honest person, will find it and give me a call. That's just a little tip that actually worked at one time, where it fell down and a little kid found it, and his mom gave me a call. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.